Hey RealFam, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining. If it's your first time on my channel, hello. Hey now, welcome to the RealFam, a channel where you can find nothing but empowerment and transformation. So let's get straight to today's video. We are talking StreamYard on a mobile device. Did you know that you can actually use StreamYard on your mobile device and still capture every moment of doing a video or going live on your YouTube or even other platforms? Did you know that? Well, let me show you how you can do it. So what you can do is to go to whichever browser you use. I use Chrome, and then you can search for StreamYard. Now you'll see the various options that are there. So obviously I would assume that you would want the sign up option. You click on a sign up. Now it will request you to add your email address, and once you put your email address, it will send you a code that you will have to click on so that you can get your account activated. Now because I already have a StreamYard account, I'm going to log in, right? So to log in, still I'm gonna need to put my email address. So it's the same process as doing it on your laptop. All right, so it sends you a 6-digit code. So now I need to go and search for that 6-digit code, which will be on my email account. So you can see that your friend from StreamYard sent you a login code. So when I click there, I get my code and I copy it, and then I go to StreamYard and put that code and I log in, just like that. Now when you get to the broadcast, you will notice that this is similar to, you know, if you're using a laptop. So you've got the same things, you're able to see all the lives that you've done, but of course I would assume that you are new, you don't know how to go about this. So let's look at destinations. So when you click on that navigation arrow there, you can see all the different things that are available: the broadcast, the destination, referral, billings, settings, and all of that. So I'm not going to go through all those settings, but I'm just going to show you the most, I think, common and most important ones that you would obviously use as someone who will be starting. Now the destinations. So in terms of destinations, you get to choose between all these destinations that are here as to which one you want to start with or go to add. So if you want to add a Facebook page, Facebook group profile, your own personal profile, a LinkedIn page. Something about a LinkedIn page is that it has to be approved first by LinkedIn. So this just a very long procedure, so that one, take note of it. So your YouTube, you can automatically connect. You don't even need 1,000 subscribers to connect to StreamYard. Okay, so if you have 100 subscribers, you can actually do it right about now. All right, so you can add whichever one. So obviously, like for example, if you're gonna decide to add, it's gonna need you to give permission. Like Facebook needs to get permission to connect and all right. So once that is done, you have your destinations. Now you can go back and say, okay, I've got my destinations. Now what do I want to do? Let's go back. You go back to broadcast, and then you want to create a broadcast. So creating a broadcast means that you are now working on going live. So you can either schedule a live or you can go live immediately. Now I'm going to show you that now. So because this mobile one, or the one, the version that I'm in is the basic version. So the basic version, you pay $20, actually $25 per month. If you're gonna pay for a year, you're gonna pay $20. They give you a discount of $5. Okay, so I am on a basic plan, but now let's assume that you are starting. So if you're starting, it's just gonna be free, but you'll only have 20 hours of stream, so it won't allow you to have many more streams if you exceed that. Okay, so it means you have to upgrade, just like I upgraded. All right, so you can select at this point. The basic plans allows me to log in to go live on 3 platforms. All right, so I will just, what can I title my video? Okay, let's say testing, testing, okay, testing broadcast. Okay, so that's how I'm gonna put it on the description. So this is where, even for example, if you post or if you're gonna do a video online, you're probably going to put a post, put a description. So it's the same process. So you have the option to schedule it for later. It's the same process, guys, as the desktop or on a laptop. So you do the same thing as schedule, choose the time that you want to go live, and once you have done that, you are done. You will just make sure that by that time you are there. And then you can also decide to go live immediately, which you'll just go to go to create broadcast rather, and then it will take you straight to all the other platforms that you have selected. So it will enter the broadcast. Once it has done that, then you will see your pretty face showing like that. So that's me right there, Real Talk with Ntabi. Now, the nice thing about this, and earlier when I tested it, I don't like the screen showing like this. So now we don't want the portrait version. It's always nice to have a landscape version. How's that? So this is super cool. So now you can actually use it this way, and you have a nice background. You don't have a black spaces on the side and all of that. You can see, right? And then once you've done that, the same thing, you get to check your banners, like all the branding that you have. Of course, if you're on the free version, it's still gonna have that powered by StreamYard, unfortunately. But for some of us that are on the basic plan, can play around with the logos. Can you see? Can you see? So yeah, that is basically that, guys. And there are so many other options. You can add a video, like there's a 30-second video that you can start with. You can also have your own intro video. You know, you can have all the different, look at that. So, you know, if you've been going live and checking my lives and joining my live streams, you know all of this. So this is basically that. You can just add just about anything, and once you are happy, change the colors, because on the branding you can change the colors, choose whichever color you want. Like, you can choose colors, so it's all up to you which colors suits you best. And you can even change the style of your display. Look at that, look at that. So you can just play around, and yeah, and this is it, guys. This is all you need to know. If you want to know more, then make a plan and learn about it. So all you gotta do now is go live. But of course, because this is a test, I'm not gonna click and go live. So going live means that everything is up and ready, your name is in place, your colors, everything. If there's videos that you want to add, you've added them. And how you add them, guys, you just click, and then it can just go to the browser and choose whichever video that you want, or whichever picture, logo, video, and all right. So RealFam, if you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like, and of course comment. Tell me what you thought about StreamYard on a mobile device. Would you consider doing it? Would you consider being a part of the live stream? Have you actually went live? Do you think StreamYard can work for you? And of course, do you have any other questions? Remember that here on Real Talk with Ntabi, we're all about learning and transforming, right? So whatever knowledge that I get together, I'm definitely gonna plug you. You know that very well. So if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, because your girl keeps learning and she's gonna share more and more. So with that said, please like this video, okay? And yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. Until the next video or live, love you always. Mwah. Okay. Mwah. Much love.